Let's now take a look at cancelable swaps. A cancelable swap is basically just a regular swap plus a swaption. The swaption is basically enters into an opposite swap, so it cancels it. So a regular cancelable swap is, you have this one, and if you have the option to cancel, uh, you can then at some point you'll say, I cancel this swap. So at that point, the swap will no longer exist. You can think of that as, as entering another swap that canceled out the payments. So for example, you have a cancelable pay float swap, then essentially means that you have a regular pay flow swap, and then you enter in the option, a swaption. Basically, that swaption gives you once exercised, will give you a receive float swap. So what you receive on the float will cancel out what you pay on the float. So basically, then the swap disappeared. So if you have a one chance to cancel, then this one time cancelable swap is like a regular swap plus a European swaption. But if you have, if your cancelable swap has multiple time periods that you can cancel, then you can effectively think of this cancelable swap is essentially a regular swap plus a Bermudian option, a Bermudian swaption that allows you to exercise multiple times within the tenor. So for the side that is entering, has entered a cancelable pays float swap, we've said that is really the side has a regular pay flow swap plus a long position of the swaption. Then the counterparty, which is doing the opposite side, will then have a regular pay fixed swap, but then has a short position on the same option. Okay. So a lot of the time, you'll have derivative securities that cost a particular name, but essentially you can actually break them into several components of other products. So, and really, it's the financial essence that really determines what a product is. So, you may call this thing cancelable swap, but essentially, this is nothing more than just a regular swap plus a swaption.